first I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. I'm so groovy, get down to the beat.
Let's groove tonight. Share a spice tonight.
I am a disco diva. No one can be quite like me. Sometimes they say I am the next Diana Ross, but I think I am better than Diana Ross. Hey y'all, what is up? Today I'm gonna show y'all how to get this disco diva 70s-esque look with the sequin dress and all. Now this video is a huge collaboration with some of my faves. Y'all already know these are some of the same girls and some more girls that did the back to school collab, and we're doing a Halloween collab. So if you don't know what you're gonna be, then make sure to watch everyone's videos because everyone has a different costume and tons of ideas and tutorials and stuff like that. So stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm gonna show you some snippets from every single one of their videos. Alright, let's get to it. Transformation time. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my foundation and my eyebrows. If you that sounds funny. If you wanna see how I do that, I have plenty of other makeup tutorials you can watch, but I'm just gonna do that real fast. Alright, so I did one eye, just so it'll move a little bit faster, but we're gonna do this eye right now. I'm gonna show you exactly what I did to get this disco diva eye makeup look. So I'm starting off with a primer. I'm just gonna use the, ooh, my nails need to be done. I'm just gonna use the NYX eyeshadow base. Now I'm just gonna take a black shadow with a super thin brush. I actually got this brush in the Beautycon BFF box, and you're just going to kind of line like a little bit above where your normal crease is. Now you're gonna like really blend it out, like blend. I'm taking the color Last Sin on the Urban Decay Vice 3 palette, which is just a champagne color, and I'm putting that all over my lid. And you can use another color that's just like this, that's similar. Next I'm taking Bobby Dazzle, which is a white color, and I'm just putting that in the inner corner, just like that. I'm using this MAC glitter that I got like last year during Christmas season, but they have like other glitters, and there's like other glitters you can get from your beauty supply store, but I'm just using that, and it's like a loose glitter. So what I'm doing is using my e.l.f. setting spray, and I'm just gonna spray that on my brush, and it helps to compact the glitter on my eyes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray that.
So dysfunctional. Oh, can you feel it? Can you? Like I feel it. Well, I'm so.
Next I'm just gonna take a white liner, and I'm gonna line my bottom lash line.
Like I feel it. I'm so dysfunctional.
Now it is time for a liner. Now I'm taking this Mega Liner by Wet n Wild. It's a little bit dried out a little bit, so I'm just gonna do 4 triangles underneath my eye, kind of like how I did here, because they used to like really full bottom lashes. Now I'm cleaning off my face so the glitter doesn't like get stuck, and I'm gonna put on some lashes. And I'm really bad at putting on lashes, like I'm just now like starting to do lashes, so I'm gonna do those off camera. Be right back. Now I'm gonna add some mascara to my bottom lashes. And the last thing for the eyes, I'm going to go in the top with that white color again, because they use like super light colors to highlight their brow bones back in the day. Now for the rest of the face is going to be pretty neutral. We're going to go with a nude lip and some kind of a nudish blush. So I'm going to go ahead and do that.
Hush, hush, there is no other way. I get the final say because I don't want to do this any longer. I don't want you. There's nothing left to say. Hush, 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 hush.
And that's makeup.
Again, all of this broke.
Next, you want to make sure your hair is damp, or you can just spray with a spray bottle, so that way you can actually like comb through your hair when you're blow drying it. You by my side, and I spent so many nights thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong. I learned how to carry on, and so you're back from outer space. So that is it. That is the Disco Diva look. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you liked Diva Arianna, give it a thumbs up as well. Don't forget to subscribe, and as promised, here is a sneak preview of all the girls' videos that are in this collab, so let's take a look.
I am prepared to accept one of your traditional gestures of human gratitude.
My position is to punch you in the nose. Hoes do.
What did you do to my car?
Friends call me Tip.
If you didn't get enough from that sneak preview, then head down to my description box and I have the links to every single one of those videos, so y'all make sure to go, click it, and watch and subscribe to everyone. Don't forget to tell them that Arianna sent you over there, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! I fail. Today, it's all about BeautyCon. I've received, let me hide my address. don't stalk me. I received my first BeautyCon BFF box, and the curator of this box is